Welcome back to the show, guys. Now, Connecticut-based dancehall artist Frassman is creating waves with his new single Pop Off. He stopped by recently to give us the scoop.
That know hard to do. We get girl that know hard to do. Oh, it's so hard for you. Oh, it's so hard for you. That know hard to do. We get girl that know hard to do. Oh, it's so hard for you. Oh, it's so hard for you. Love girl over your sober, this over your sober, this over your sober, this over your sober. Anywhere we go, anywhere we go, anywhere we go, anywhere we go. And I'm my father.
Well, Pop Off one of them real song there. You may say the realest song right now in a dance song. You know what I mean? Because you speak of people in your life, in your career, in your surrounding, who just them is like what we call it now, termite. You know what I mean? So they run you for destroy. So you have to figure them out and find them out from early and just get rid of them. So Pop Off is really me speaking my mind. I go through a little situation in my career where people was on board and wasn't there for a real good reason. I have a song named Hot Girl Check-In, she in the records, on the Girl Fever rhythm. That song that I go on good right now too. You know what I mean? So for the ladies, them, I know some cater for the girls, them, because we said that not hard for do, and all them sitting there. So, you know, we have to cater for the ladies, them, and I try, you know, Hot Girl Check-In is a song for the female them represent themselves. Basically, you know, I'm a hardcore dancehall artist, and on this album, I just, you know, I'm experimenting a different side of us, like trying something new, where basically there's a lot of singing on the album. Me singing, like, you know what I mean, on the album, and some different kind of beats, where the beat is not just selling Jamaica, it's selling the Caribbean. You know what I mean? So it's like Caribbean music, and we have all different kind of flavors on it, and it's a real Nikai. You know what I mean? So you have to look out for that. Pop Off is the leading singer on the album.
Me and the queen them a play poker, and our I get smoker. Me get girl everywhere me turn, and I usher this, but me make it burn. Don't know how to get girl, watch and learn. No fall in no part.
Talk to us about the producers who worked on the album.
In-house NS producers, Mountain Lion. You know what I mean? So it's just straight NS, everything.
You grew up in Jamaica, but you have relocated overseas. How long ago did you move overseas, and where overseas are you based?
Represent Connecticut, Hartford straight to the fullest. Yeah, you understand? I don't know, 13 years, I migrate to Jamaica and live in America. Once music in here, it can't come out. You know what I mean? So we're there seriously. I take it up 2016 now, and it's a serious year for me. Walton Park, you know, Kingston 13. You understand? Norman Manley High School. That's it. Straight Frassman, aka Nikai Saman. You know what I mean? So, yo, the simple thing. Grew up, we play football. Don't know football, everything. We play for a whole heap of football team. Score a whole heap of goal because we are forward and we are shooter. You know what I mean? So, you know, growing up was fun for me, you know. And, you know, my big brother, Dylan Reed, always support me with everything I do, from football to music.
In case you're just locking into the show, we're in Port Royal for this week. Now, Marcia Griffiths is an icon of Jamaican music, and her single Electric Boogie is featured in this week's Wray Proud Jamaican Spirit feature. Let's check it out.
It's electric.
Her musical career began in the mid-1960s, but Jamaican singer Marcia Griffiths didn't achieve mainstream success globally until 1990. Having recorded a number of hits for Jamaican producers, she teamed up with Bob Andy in the early 1970s and formed the duo Bob and Marcia. Their duet, a cover of Young, Gifted and Black, reached number 5 on the British pop charts. Their follow-up single Pied Piper reached number 11 in 1971. But it wasn't until 19 years later in 1990 that Marcia Griffiths would earn her highest career achievement. It came in the form of her monster hit, Electric Boogie. That song was first recorded in the 1970s originally by Bunny Wailer. Marcia recorded a version in 1982, which was a modest hit on the Jamaican music charts.
You can't see it. It's electric. You gotta feel it. It's electric.
electric boogie, which spawned the global dance craze called the electric slide, was remixed and re-released in 1989 and featured on Marcia's album Carousel, released by Island Mango Records. The song was a huge smash, peaking at number 51 on the Billboard Hot 100 singles chart, and is to date the biggest selling single by a Jamaican female artiste worldwide. The electric boogie is a proud moment for Jamaican music, and that is why we are honored to salute Marcia Griffiths as our Wray Proud Jamaican Spirit.
Celebrity interviews and much more are coming up right after this short break.